buffalo, seperti kerbau. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Fitriani Ponno, Ponno, Ponno. Let's learn Indonesian. Okay, friends. This afternoon I just wanna share you about. I have prepared for you. This is my table, work table, to prepare everything before taking a video to teach bahasa Indonesia. And this is so messy, Oh, I have coffee, and this is banana, pisang, kopi. I have coffee. I have prepared all things, and this is one Bible. Yeah, I have prepared it for you. And okay, we will learn about, of course, bahasa Indonesia. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, before we go to the next video, I prepare a video about greetings this afternoon, but suddenly I want to drink a coffee, and I decided to share about coffee time, waktunya minum kopi. I have coffee here. Saya punya kopi. You can repeat after me. Saya punya kopi. I have coffee. Yes, let's drink. Mari kita minum. My neighbor. Tetangga. Neighbor. Saya minum kopi. I will drink coffee. Saya mau minum kopi. You are it. Enak. Yummy. Enak. Yummy. Okay. Yummy. I like coffee. Yeah. Okay. I have this one also. Do you know what is this? This is banana. Actually, this is a big banana. Pisang besar, or in Indonesian we call it pisang tanduk. This one. We cut it one pisang. mixing language. Satu pisang, one banana, a banana. Satu pisang tanduk. We cut it into 4 or 3. It's become like this. Actually, this is a long banana. I will show it for you. Saya tunjukkan ya. This is long banana, a big banana. Pisang besar, pisang yang panjang. In Indonesia, we call it pisang tanduk, because so many kind of banana in Indonesia, and one of them is pisang tanduk. Pisang tanduk. This is very nice if we boil it, like same like me. Banana boil, pisang rebus, boiled banana, boil, direbus, rebus, boiled. Nah, and this is pisang tandu, because this is like like buffalo, seperti kerbau. Like this. Pisang tanduk. Maybe like this. Okay. A big banana. Pisang tanduk. Okay. This is yummy. Do you want me to show you how to eat it? Saya makan pisang. I eat banana. Saya makan pisang. Yummy. This. So when you boiled, you can cut it into 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 pieces. Let's eat. Ayo kita makan. Ayo kita makan. Or mari kita makan. Let's eat. Let's eat. Mari kita makan. This is yummy. Let's eat with coffee. Oh. Yummy. Enak. Okay. I have this. Finish it first. This is about coffee time. Okay. You know, this is the real life in Indonesia. Maybe some of the people have coffee time in the morning or in the afternoon. Okay. I already write waktunya minum kopi. Waktunya minum kopi. Waktunya minum kopi. Waktunya minum kopi. Or coffee time. Coffee time. Coffee time. Waktunya minum kopi. Coffee time. This is waktunya minum kopi or coffee time. Waktunya minum kopi. You can express yourself. Waktunya minum kopi. Waktunya minum kopi. Coffee time. Coffee time. Waktunya minum kopi. Okay. You can repeat after me. Okay, next. Minum kopi. Minum kopi. Drink coffee. Drink coffee. Minum kopi. Yeah, that's the meaning in Indonesian. Drink coffee.
Mama.
Yes. Oh, my daughter. Anak saya. My daughter. Girl. She is a girl. Dia anak perempuan. Anak perempuan, a girl. Oke. Oke, next. Oh. Minum kopi, drink coffee. Oke. Easy. Yes, easy. Oke, next. Oh. Pisang tanduk. Pisang tanduk. Pisang tanduk. Pisang is banana. Tanduk is horn. But maybe some of you out there call it a big banana. Horn, I don't think so. I don't think so. Horn banana. I don't think so. That is the meaning. A big banana. Pisang besar. It's like this. Tada! If you come to Indonesia, you can eat this kind of banana. This is yummy. Sure, you can fry. Bisa digoreng, fry. Okay, next. Oh, it's like dark. Okay. Secangkir kopi. Secangkir kopi. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. Saya minum secangkir kopi. Cangkir or glass. Gelas in Indonesian. Cangkir, gelas, a cup. Glass or cup. They have a different meaning, but in Indonesia also say this is cangkir. Cangkir kopi. A cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. Saya minum secangkir kopi. Let's drink. Ayo kita minum. Enak. Enak means yummy or delicious. Delicioso. Enak. Aku suka. I like it. Aku suka. I like it. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share on your social media. So many people will learn bahasa Indonesia because bahasa Indonesia easy, gampang, easy, gampang. Say it. I can do it. I can do it. Aku pasti bisa. Aku pasti bisa. I can do it. I can do it. Aku pasti bisa. Okay. See you on my another video. Bye bye.